So then guys, today we're checking out the TCL Projector PlayCube. This little cube promises a giant screen experience anywhere, anytime. It's compact, it's clever, and TCL say it's ready to twist and play whenever you need it. Let's see if it actually delivers here. The PlayCube isn't just small, it's designed to be playful, inspired by a Rubik's Cube. It's all about the fun of rotation. That unique 90 degrees twist system makes it super convenient indoors or outdoors. No tripod is needed. The actual design here has already won both the IF and the Red Dot Design Awards for 2025, and it's clear why. It's compact, stylish, and genuinely different from anything else on the projector market right now. And specs-wise, TCL has put some serious power here into this. The PlayCube delivers 750 iOS lumens of brightness paired with a 0.33-inch DMD chip running full HD 1080p resolution with 4K support. The larger chip here gives sharper details and avoids the pixel grid look you see on, say, smaller models out there. But the real secret weapon is TCL's ImmersiColor technology. This is proprietary calibration software built from years of TV image tuning expertise. It boosts color, reproduction, saturation, and definition. And this helps the projector outperform rivals in real-world picture quality. So this means whether you're showing films, games, or presentations, the PlayCube's image looks really crisp and vibrant. And what I really like is how hands-off the setup is. You've got autofocus, so it sharpens instantly, auto-keystone correction, so your image stays perfectly square. You've got obstacle avoidance, which automatically shifts the projection if somebody blocks the wall, and eye protection mode that dims instantly if someone walks through the beam. And instead of fiddling with settings, you just place it down, twist it in position the way you want it, and the PlayCube with its clever sensors just does the rest. One of the biggest selling points though I love about this cube is that it's also completely wireless. It doesn't have to have a power cable plugged into it. It's got a 66 watt-hour battery and you can get up to 3 hours of playback with this, what is great. So this means that you could definitely watch a full movie on this projector. And if you do get low on power, the cool thing is you can plug this in for 30 minutes and it will give you an extra hour life of battery. Then after this, add TCL's dual side cooling system built in this, which uses aerospace grade pipes and airflow channels. And the fan noise is quite quiet as well. It just stays at around about 26 decibels. That's quieter than most libraries out there. It's powerful but discreet, and also the PlayCube runs Google TV, so apps like Netflix, Disney+, YouTube and Prime Video all here. You can stream from your phone with Chromecast or AirPlay, and you can even use the famous Hey Google command for voice control too. But enough about, say, things that you can see, let's talk about sound, because this is where I'm actually quite pleasantly surprised here, how good the speaker is inside of it. It's actually got a 5-watt speaker, and with Dolby Digital Plus, it's more than enough for a portable outdoor use projector. The clarity is solid, and it fills a small space without distortion. And in fact, I've actually recorded the clip here to show you how good the speaker is. Have a listen right here.
Introduced earlier this year, but really nothing at all on hardware. And it looks like Apple are finally going to be releasing a new product in this range. Most likely the actual form factor and design of the Apple TV is probably going to stay exactly the same, but what's actually going to be changing is what's happening underneath the hood of this.
Now, of course, if this speaker is not enough for you and you want a bigger impact out there, well, you can connect a soundbar or a Bluetooth speaker. But as a built-in solution, you know, just to take around with you for portability, you cannot beat this. The sound quality is fantastic on this. So overall, compared to rivals, the PlayCube wins on brightness, battery life and ease of use, and even the sound quality in such a small all-in-one device. And then on top of that too, the actual design of this with its flexibility, you know, this is fantastic. So with all of this built into this projector, you can use this outside if you wanted to do that, like on a table. You could also use it in a room to shine onto a white wall for movies night, or even you could shine it onto a ceiling to watch a relaxing binge season of something, you know, on the ceiling while you're in bed. The versatility is the whole point here. It adapts to wherever you put it. So that is the TCL's Projector's PlayCube, a small cube with a big screen, playful, award-winning design, great image quality, smarter setup, and surprisingly capable sound. TCL calls it ready, twist, play, anywhere, and to be honest, I think they've nailed it here. And on that note as well, guys, if you want to check out this projector, make sure you check out all the details that are in the description of this video right now. And on that note as well, what do you think of a projector like this? Would you get your hands on one? Well, let me know in the comments below. And on that note as well, guys, it's time to wrap up the video too. So if you have enjoyed watching it, please do press the like button. As always, if you want to hear the latest technology news, reviews, and comparisons, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.